Today, October 29, 7:30 a.m. Ang ganda na ng weather. Sayang hindi namin ito naabutan kahapon. Pero at least, maganda pa rin yung peak nung pagdating namin sa Fansipan. Ngayon, punta lang kami sa lake. Tapos, breakfast. And then, bus na pabalik na kami. Ayun yung yung shuttle. Pag gusto niya mag-alpine coaster, dito lang to sa likod nung globe na may kamay. Pwede kayo mag-book ng tickets dyan. And at the same time, may shuttle na din papunta and pabalik na harangan. Pero yun, yung red. Nag-try kami mag-electric bike transpo from Sapa Lake until Viet Trekking, 50,000 VND for 4 hours. Slay! Ang hangin. Parang parang private. Golf cart nga. Electric Kineso. check, 5:30. We're back in Hanoi.
Saan tayo dito, di ba?
And babalik kami dun sa unang kinainan namin na pho kasi sobrang sarap. So sana lang meron na silang round 2 ng serving kasi 2 beses lang sila nagsiserve ng pho everyday. Isa sa umaga, isa sa gabi. So check muna namin. Tawid dito ay sobrang lakasan na lang ng loob talaga. Nakakadoka. Pero carry lang. So pag may tip na lang, pag may kasabay na kayo, sumabay na kayo para kayo matakot tumuwid. Meron! Swerte! The shot. Hanap muna ng seat si Papa bago kami umorder.
Pagdating doon. Saan tayo
Hindi.
tubig?
Dito na lang, na-checkpohan namin na bukas.
Mas masarap dito eh.
Ito yung unang pho place na pinuntahan namin. Nag-stick talaga yung nasa sa amin, kaya bumalik kami.
Ano to eh, lasang binabalik-balikan.
Wow! Ano yun? Karilagan. You say hi to. Hair shampoo. Good. Sobrang sarap ng shampoo. May massage pa. 1 hour siya, hintay niya kami. Sobrang sarap. Ang bango ng shampoo and conditioner. Gawin niyo to. Pamparelax sa last day niya bago umuwi ng Manila. Oh, satisfied?
Satisfied.
Good, good.
Very good.
Very good.
She said she's only there on weekends, just looking for a reason to remember the song. So we'll stay a while, moving to the music. I can see you smile, thinking that I've lost my mind, and you're the reason why. Don't look down, 'cause both our feet have left the ground. Don't look down.
Parbait ng hotel namin, binigyan kami ng breakfast kasi di na kami makakaabot sa buffet. Tinapay at saka 2 eggs and butter.
Dancing over shrinking town. She said, just meet me here at sunset. Got a look inside her eyes, a glimpse above the skies. It could be the reason why.
Bye ano?
By Paw,
Bye Puncha.
by Banmi, 25. Bye guys.
And you're the reason why. Don't look down, 'cause both our feet have left the ground. Don't look